Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can find the Windows 10 product key or the OEM digital license key in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. Okay, so this is without installing any software. So let's just follow this few process or steps that I'm going to show you, and make sure that you follow or you finish watching this video till the end. So let's get started. So it's a good practice to save your product key. If you want to update your computer to Windows 11, then you might need the product key. So to do that, follow this few simple process that I'm going to show you. So let's go with Windows search tab, and here type CMD. Under best match, you will see command prompt option. So please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator. And then just click on yes. So here in this black window, once this is up, all we need to do is just to paste the command that you will see in the description box below. I will leave it there. So let me just copy the command. And here in our black window, let's paste Control V, and then once pasted, let's now click on enter or OK. And here you will see the product key of your device. So in case that you don't get the product key and this process didn't work for you, then let's do the second process or the second step that I'm going to show you. So let me just exit this one. So in our Windows search tab again, in the Windows icon, please make a right click and then go to run options. So we can also open the run window just by pressing Windows R key all together. And once this run window is up on our screen, we need to go to this location, computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows. So we need to go to this location, and we can do that by typing here in the run window regedit, and then once done, please click on OK or enter, and then just click on yes, and you will see the, let me just minimize this. Okay, so you will see the options here under computer. So all we need to do is just click on this arrow before HK local machine, and then go to software. Go to Microsoft software, then go to Microsoft, and then Windows. Let's look for Windows NT in the W section here. So once found, please click on this arrow here and then go to current version, and then go to software protection, software protection platform. And in here you will see in the inside tab, you will see the backup product key default, and you will see here the product key or the digital license of your device. So all you need to do is just to copy this one, and you can save it somewhere else in your device, so that the next time you like to install a new version of Windows, this product key is helpful and you can use this one. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful for you, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.